Hello loves! Most of you seen what my outdoor living space will look like for the rest of the summer with the collaboration I did with my sister Catherine from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro and the Dream Team. Well, I'm going to show you how you can transform an outdoor living space look for the summer into something special like a tropical paradise. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hello loves and welcome to BRE'S Project Book. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. We have a great video today, a FAB-Collab by my sister Forlisa from Homebody with Forlisa. Forlisa is known for her beautiful glam decorations and her gorgeous tablescapes. The second host is Sule from My Style, My Colors. She is known for decorating in bold, beautiful colors and a touch of glam. She also does glam DIYs that are gorgeous. So you must check out her channel and subscribe to both of their channels. The playlist for this collaboration is in the description box below. So you can check out all of the participants in this open collaboration. Don't forget to check out their channels and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to get started with this tablescape with a beautiful tropical floral. This is what it looks like. It has big tropical palms, beautiful hydrangeas. So here's what you need to create this beautiful floral. Large head florals, palm leaves, florist foam, a paper tubing covered in some decorative paper, and moss. Okay, we're going to take these outside and we're going to transform our tablescape into something tropical. Okay, as you can see, I took away some of the items that I use on my outside for the summer, and I'm going to replace those items with more seasonal tropical feel. I left behind the items that I will be using throughout the year, no matter what, and that's the plates, this dessert plate, the wine glasses, and a runner. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you a couple of things. I brought out the palms that I purchased from Amazon some years ago, and these are by AUIHIAY. I don't know if you can see that or if that's what it's named when you go into Amazon, but like I said, they give you a variety of palm leaves in here. I started digging around in my tropical, I have a tropical bin, and I seen these and used them today because I figured, hey, this goes with my tablescape because it has the black and white stripe and the palms on it. And also made a change to my tablescape. I decided to add the silver wine glass. going to talk about is the curtain. So I changed the curtains just a little bit. I put the black, white stripe and palm napkins around the band that I made there, and then I stuffed the band and the curtain with more palm leaves to bring it out, make it look more fanciful. So we're going to start with the chairs first, and then we'll make our way to the table. The chairs are accompanied with 4 pillows. The palm pillows were purchased at Amazon 2 years ago, I believe it was. I love these pillows. They're gorgeous. I love the feel of them. They're nice and soft. But the green that looked like it can come right off the pillow, they look so real. So much detail. And the color of them, how they're blended in, it looks like paint. Very, very pretty. It looked like an artist just painted the palms on the pillow. Gorgeous. And each of the chairs have their own pillow. Now on the table setting, we start with the 2 florals that you seen me create. The centerpiece is gorgeous with these beautiful florals that I created. The bedding of moss is nice and thick and very soft. And then that tube, which is the stem cover, really showcase inside of the glass cylinder. The big beautiful flowers, the hydrangeas in white and light green, and the big palm leaves are beautiful against those flowers, make such a bold statement, a large floral that is a gorgeous showcase for this centerpiece. The light green hydrangeas really pops the table and brings out the light green in some of the dishware and on the pillows itself. Beautiful way to accent and have everything come in as a whole. In the center between the 2 florals is this gorgeous 3 candle holders that I filled with moss flow as this one centerpiece, and I wanted them to somehow complement each other, and I think the moss really brings that together. We have the 3 candles that I will let you see what they look like later, but I love the way their heights are different, and the candles inside the cylinders are different heights also. And to make it even bolder, I made the candles higher than what they actually are by having a stand inside each of the cylinders that the candle could stand on to give it a little bit more height and a little bit more drama. This place setting is beautiful. I love the way it came out. Now the foundation of the place setting is this gorgeous magnolia placemat that I showed you in the beginning of setting the table. I purchased these at Pier 1 about 3 years or so ago. Love these. I think they were like $8 a piece, not quite sure. Then I wanted to pop it a little bit. So before, in the beginning when I set the table, I just put just the mat there with the plates, but I needed something in between the plates and the mat to pop it, and I put this beautiful silver charger here. I purchased this at home about last year, I believe it was, for Christmas, because I wanted some chargers. And believe it or not, these are a kind of a cardboard with a layer of some sort of protective material on top of them. Very durable. Then on the top of the charger, I place some more of these palm leaves here. And then we have the black plate. And between the black plate, the palm leaves, and the charger, and then again the magnolia leaf, is beautiful contrast between the two. Then we come on top of the plate. Such drama here. I mean, it is so gorgeous the way I set this. So let me move this so you can see the layers. So we have the palm leaf salad plate. This is gorgeous. I purchased this from Pier 1 about 2 years, maybe 3 years ago. Beautiful. And I love that light color. See how it brings out, the flower brings out that color there. Really pops the table with that accent of color. And I love the way it curves against the plate, like it fits very nicely there. Same as this palm dessert plate here. I purchased that Pure One? No, Amazon, I believe it was. And I like the way the shapes here. We have a circular dessert plate, and then a leaf shape salad plate, and then the black and white plate itself. Love the shapes. Such a showcase of how these layers. And then to make it something different, I staggered the eating utensils here. There are plasticware in silver, and then we have that paper napkin, which is the same paper napkin as wrapped on the drapes there that you've seen on the curtains. And I thought that was a nice accent to bring everything together. And then on top of that, we added this gorgeous napkin and the silver napkin ring. And it also has black napkins in the center to bring that black out and pop it against that green. Gorgeous. Then again, we have the silver wine glass there to bring some more silver here, and that completes the plate setting. Such a beautiful presentation here for the guests. Okay, so we come to this side of the dining area where we have two chairs that's flanking the multi-purpose server. Both of the chairs are decorated the same. So let's take a closer look at that. So the first chair has a black and white striped pillow. I wanted to bring the black and white stripe design on this side of the room, so I decided to put a black and white stripe 18 by 18 pillow here, and then I layered a nice gem colored green lumbar pillow in front of it to bring out that green that's on this side of the room. I love this green. It's a beautiful green color, and I love the pillow. It's a nice light velveteen. I purchased this pillow from Amazon. Then the center here is where the grand finale is on this side of the room. I did this for a collaboration. If you're interested how I did this, I will link the iCard above. But this is a beautiful floral lantern design here on this multi-purpose server. So I tried to put the same type of decor elements in both areas, and as you can see, it looks gorgeous here, especially when it's lit up at night, and I'll let you see what that looks like. All of that sits on a bedding of flowers and palms and fern. Like I said, if you want more information on how I put this together, then you can check out the collaboration in the iCard above. So we're going to take one last overview, and then we're going to close out this video. Well, that would do it for this collaboration. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to show some love to our host by subscribing to her channel. She is a beautiful and talented sister, and I love her dearly. Also, don't forget to check out the other participants who shared their talent and decor ideas. Show some love and subscribe. It's free. The playlist is in the description box below. I'll see you on the next one. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to check out my YouTube community page, where you will find any changes to my scheduled programming, upcoming series and collaborations, or just to chat and say hello.